Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Doily Pattern Books is probably one of the most sought-after resources for crocheters of all skill levels, offering a wide variety of patterns ranging from simple and classic designs to intricate and modern creations. These books provide endless inspiration and opportunities to create stunning doilies that will enhance any home decor. And in this video, we will explore some of the best options available on the market today, helping you choose the perfect book to match your crocheting style and experience. Number 5. Absolutely gorgeous doilies. These exquisite doilies will add a touch of elegance to your home. They're perfect for adding a special touch to any occasion. Each doily is meticulously crafted with attention to detail. You'll appreciate the quality and beauty. Use them as coasters, placemats, or decorative accents. They're versatile enough for any setting. These doilies will instantly elevate the look of your table or any surface. They add a touch of class and sophistication. They make a wonderful and thoughtful gift for friends and family. It's a present that shows you care. Made with high-quality materials, these doilies are built to last. Enjoy their beauty for years to come. What we like? It boasts an array of stunning doily patterns. If you appreciate intricate designs and clear instructions, this is the perfect choice. Its variety of sizes makes it suitable for any crocheter, from beginner to expert. Number 4. Vintage Doilies Crochet Patterns. These aren't just patterns, they're a journey to a bygone era of elegance and craftsmanship. Imagine the beautiful pieces you can create. These delicate doilies will add a touch of vintage charm to any room. They're perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your coffee table or dresser. Dress up your chairs with these stunning chair sets. They'll transform your dining area into a space of refined elegance. These runners will add a touch of sophistication to your dining table or console table. They're perfect for special occasions or everyday use. These charming placemats will protect your table while adding a touch of vintage style to your dining experience. They're both practical and beautiful. With these patterns, you can create heirloom quality pieces that will be cherished for generations. Let your creativity shine. What we like? This book is a trip down memory lane with its charming vintage patterns. If you are looking for classic designs with a retro flair, including chair sets, this is it. It's ideal for those who love the elegance of mid-century design. What people say? They are beautiful and delicate doilies. This collection of projects has many lovely doilies. I just read through this book to see if I could read the patterns and understand. They were explained very easily and I will be able to make all of them. Number 3. Just Little Doilies. Get ready to explore the world of crochet with this delightful collection. It's filled with 27 unique patterns for creating beautiful little doilies. Each pattern is carefully designed and easy to follow, perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. You'll find a variety of styles and sizes to suit your needs. These patterns are designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions and helpful diagrams. Even if you're new to crochet, you'll be able to create stunning doilies. From delicate and intricate designs to simple and elegant ones, there's something for everyone in this collection. Find the perfect doily for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned crocheter or just starting out, this collection offers something for you. It's a great way to improve your skills and create beautiful handmade items. These charming doilies will add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home decor. Use them to decorate tables, shelves, or anywhere you want to add a personal touch. What we like? It offers a delightful collection of 27 unique small doily patterns. If you're a beginner or prefer smaller projects, this book is perfect for you. The patterns are easy to follow, making it a great starting point for your crochet journey. What people say? Details a number of stitches step by step. Not what I would call a how-to-beginner's book, but easier stitches for someone who is just starting to make items for the first time after learning the basics. Love the many patterns and color. The instructions are easy to understand. I have only made 2 doilies, so far, but I will probably make all of them in time. Lots of colored, written out in detail patterns. Exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. Vintage 1940s Crochet Patterns. These aren't just patterns, they're pieces of history. Imagine the stories these designs could tell. Add a touch of vintage charm to your home with these delicate doilies. They're perfect for adding a touch of class to any room. These shrugs are as practical as they are beautiful. They're perfect for layering and adding a touch of vintage style to any outfit. Snuggle up on the couch with one of these beautiful afghans. They're perfect for adding a touch of warmth and comfort to your home. Carry your essentials in style with one of these unique purses. They're the perfect accessory for any occasion. With over 30 patterns to choose from, you're sure to find something you love. Unleash your creativity and start crocheting today. What we like. This book is a treasure trove of vintage patterns. If you want variety beyond doilies, including afghans and purses, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who love vintage designs and want to explore a range of projects. What people say. Actually contains patterns from the 1930s, 50s. It is a trip into nostalgia, yet most of the projects will not be outdated for today. Love the format. Bigger print and easy on the eyes. Good space for notes if you are the type of person who does mark in a pattern book. Nicely bound and photos are good. Just what I was looking for, old crochet designs like my mum used, with the added bonus won't get torn. Number 1. Crochet Doilies Tutorial. Welcome to this tutorial on crocheting old-fashioned doilies. It's a relaxing craft with beautiful results. Let's get started. Gather your crochet hook and your favorite yarn. You'll also need scissors and a yarn needle for weaving in the ends. We'll begin with the fundamental stitches: chain, slip stitch, single crochet, and double crochet. Mastering these is key to success. Now, let's create the center of your doily using a magic ring or chain. Follow along closely as we build the foundation. Learn how to increase and decrease stitches to create the beautiful, lacy pattern of the doily. It's easier than you think. Once you've crocheted the desired size, we'll show you how to finish it off neatly, weaving in all the loose ends. For an extra touch of elegance, we'll demonstrate how to add a decorative border to your finished doily. Congratulations! You've successfully crocheted your own beautiful doily. Enjoy your handiwork. What we like. This book is your guide to mastering old-fashioned doilies. If you're a beginner looking for a step-by-step guide, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to learn traditional crochet techniques and create beautiful, classic doilies. What people say. Love to crochet, great for reviewing. Easy to follow instructions. Just a few basic crochet doily patterns. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.